Okay.
So we got a leaf blower.
And a skateboard.
And it's going to power the skateboard.
To go all the way over there.
And hopefully it'll be a good crash.
Yeah.
All right. Oh my God!
It just spilled oil everywhere. The oil tank spilled. The oil tank just spilled.
Okay, we gotta get that thing away from there. All right, here we go. Go. Oh my goodness!